Hi everyone, thank you for watching. I'm Jerky. Today I want to show you is how to make Hot Wheels to mount suspension unit like this. And today I use this. This is 1970 Oldsmobile 442. And especially this is Baja Rally model, the race of Baja, desert racing, desert rally, you know. This is really cool, and but this is a big problem. Although this is off-road car, but no suspension unit. Then today I make this to add suspension unit. Here we go. At first I removed this part. Sorry. When you use the tool, you have to wear glasses for protecting eyes. Let's go. The material of Hot Wheel is relatively weak or not strong, not hard, so it's easy to remove this parts. Then I open this. Okay. This is body. Body is really detailed and really cool. And clear parts is simple but really detailed. And interior is there's a roll cage, really cool. And there's two seats, handlebar and dashboard is really good. Little bit handlebar, steering wheel is a bit smaller than I think, but really cool. Two-seater, really cool. And this is chassis and tires, really cool. There's a two exhausts. Really. On chassis, there is a front grille. It's fantastic. At first, I removed this part for the separate drive shaft. Here we go. I use driver. It's really easier. Okay, that's all. The next, I remove this part by router. And next, I cut this part. Here we go. I use saw. if you have wooden block, it is convenient. Almost same depth. Okay, and clean this by art knife. Then next I cut this part. This part about 2 millimeter. Here we go. And next, back side as well as front side. Okay. And next, I make this side part. This is just I removed, and this side, same size. I cut 204 part. Let's go. Okay. And almost same size. I lost some parts. Okay, here it is. Almost same size. This is not exactly, this is about is okay. And okay, this is plastic part, so you can cut with art knife. Here. this is and I add this part like here with adhesive. This is adhesive I use often, very often, and I use today also. This is really convenient because it's not soft, but not too much hard. This is urethane material, and I put this here and here like this, and I assemble. Okay. Oh, I'm wrong. I'm wrong side. Okay. That's it. In addition, we have to add a screw here. It's better. At first, I use masking tape like this to cover the body for protect from wounded from hit or shock. Okay. Then I drill. I use this screw, so I use this drill 1.6. And oh, I forgot. I have to wear glasses for protecting my eyes and drill. I made 2 holes, front and back. Now, and so then I screw this screw. Okay, here we go. Now I can remove the masking tape like this. No damage. Really good. Then I make a spacer I make a spacer with plastic plate. It's the same hole that I make this for screw, and I drill like this, and I cut round by art knife. Then I add this plastic plate to the screw. That's it. Really cool. Good. This is spacer. And I assemble again. Here we go. Okay. Then I screw. Okay. If you like my video today, press the like button below and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you.